Hey, to change notification sound on the Realme 12 5G, you have to go into the settings, then scroll to the sounds and vibration, and now keep scrolling until you find the notification tone. And we've got three different options. First, we can set classic themes, so this is actually the default sounds that we can find on this device. You can also go for the aquamorphic themes. And we can set custom sounds. So if you upload to your phone or download some songs, music, some sounds that you want to set as a notification tone, you will be able to find them on the recordings or music, and they will be visible and you will be able to apply them like right here. So you have to just select this sound and it will be set as a default sound. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.